Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to POCO C61. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Then hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of POCO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and hit receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!